This is my homestead, and in order to keep it healthy and free of disease and pest, I need to maintain it. The first thing I always do is sterilize all of my tools. The first bed I'm tending to has corn, carrots, kale, and some flowers planted. First, I check for any signs of pest or disease. I also want to stay on top of fertilizing the corn because they are heavy feeders. In this bed, I have a bunch of celery, beets, and also rhubarb, and I'm mostly just seeing some old foliage that's turning yellow. I'm not concerned that this is any sign of any particular pest or disease, so I just removed the foliage. I'm doing the same thing here in the strawberry bed, although in the strawberry bed, I am noticing some signs of fungal infection, so I'm going to spray with a hydrogen peroxide-based fungicide. In this next bed, I have tomatoes that are about 12 to 16 inches tall and are ready to be supported by a cage. This will help the plants grow upright, not fall over and break. I love these trellises, and all of these sorts of products are listed on my website under favorite products. In this bed, I have a bunch of Swiss chards, some in which have been eaten a little bit, and so I am going to remove all of the chewed up foliage and feed them to my chickens. Removing damaged foliage helps keep track of what problem or pest is at bay. One of the more enjoyable parts of maintenance is harvesting. In this case, I have a bunch of chamomile flowers that I need to harvest and bring inside. If I don't, then they'll just go to reseed and make some more plants. Not all of my beds are filled up. This is what a bed in transition looks like. I'm getting ready to seed the empty space here. In this bed, along with the other, I am thinning the beans to one plant per space, and I'm also fertilizing everything. Applying some fresh mulch. I'm harvesting some chamomile here, and I also wanted to go ahead and remove some of these chamomile bushes because they've just gotten to be huge, and I want my tomatoes to have more aeration, better airflow. In the next bed, I have a bunch of cilantro that has gone to seed. Now I can keep it and get some coriander, but I already have a bunch of that. So I'm just harvesting these all the way at the base and then going through and removing any damaged foliage on the Swiss chard. Next is checking on my determinate tomatoes. These are Amish paste, and so they require no pruning, but I will go through and sort of aerate the plants by taking out some selective branches that are just crossing over each other, and also tucking everything in to make sure it's inside the tomato cage. Nothing goes to waste here. We either eat everything, feed it to our chickens, or toss it into the compost.